Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 11 home build and creating a local admin account so you can change system settings. Once done, enable any required optional features and install an RDP host app because Home lacks built-in server support. Make sure the account has a strong password and record the exact username. You'll need it when connecting. Also confirm network discovery and private network profile so remote clients can see the PC on your LAN. Next, configure the RDP host service and set it to start automatically so connections persist after reboots. Then open TCP port 3389 in Windows Firewall for private networks. And if you need remote WAN access, map that port on your router to the PC's static IP or DHCP reservation. Once configured, verify the service listens on 3389 and confirm the static IP so your port forwarding stays valid. These steps let remote clients finally connect from the client using Windows Remote Desktop or another RDP client, entering the IP and port plus the local admin credentials. Test locally first to isolate network issues, and then test over WAN. If your public IP changes, set up dynamic DNS. If it fails, check the RDP host service is running, verify firewall rules and router NAT, and temporarily disable antivirus to eliminate blocking. If the port is filtered, try an alternate port and update forwarding and client settings accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.